Hey guys, it's August 19th. Let me get away from this thing. It's a lot of noise. My friend Tyler rented me his Kubota for a couple of weeks. Needed a place to park it, so I figured I'd rent it for a little while. It's got this massive squealer brush hog on it. Gotta be 5 feet. Yeah, it's gotta be 5 feet wide. It's a nice machine. Kubota L3540. It's an 06. So I'm gonna be using it for a couple weeks. I think this is the second week I've had it already. I'm gonna go brush hog. For you city folk that don't know what a brush hog is, it's a giant effing lawnmower. This thing's got two massive blades on the bottom. They're not stationary, they move. They kind of swivel on a pivot spindle thing, so that if you hit a giant rock or a tree, they won't break. But this thing will cut down brush like, I don't know, 2 inches. 2 inches pushing. But it's a monster. It is a freaking monster. It runs on a PTO. It just kicks ass. And I'm going to show you what it does. I'm going up on the flat. Up there! Above my pond. Above that big tree. There's a little flat that's about a half acre. And what I want to do is set up a camper, or at least make it nice if people want to set up a tent or go camping or do what, I don't know, other humans do for fun. So I'm going to bring you along. I got a load of mulch on. I try to do 7 things at once. Here we go. You know what? Ooh, that wasn't a good noise. You're not going to be able to hear me for the next 10 minutes. So what I'm going to do is just tape. And I'm going to drop a load of mulch off, take a ride up through the back of the farm, and show you what I'm doing. So come on, take a ride. Let's have some fun. Turn on the brush hog. There it goes. Start spinning. Let's see what we can knock down. We got a ton of milkweed out here. I'm gonna leave them for the monarchs. All these ash trees started growing when I had a guy come in and he brush hogged all this. And a year later, a crap load of ash trees came up. Unfortunately, there's a bug eating ash trees up here, so I don't think these are too long for being here. Too bad, because they make a nice break from the barn. But yeah, I'm gonna run the brush hog. That means there's gonna be a lot of noise, and I'm gonna knock a lot of these weeds down. So come along. Let's have some fun. it. Oh. We are done. Oh my God. Wow. This thing's a monster. Wow. Ouch. Very cool. Look at this. Picked this trailer up for 15 bucks. Got them down $10. Very cool. New tires, new deck, new rails. But hey, 15 bucks. I can afford to put $100 into it. Yeah. Why not? Snowmobile trailer. All right, guys, that's enough. I am done. Done. I'm gonna go. Walk down to my house. I'm gonna have another beer. I'm gonna pass out. Yep, let's do it all over again. Whole ball's good. Do me a favor, hit subscribe, hit the bell icon after you do that. Hit me up with a comment. Say anything. Say I hate you, say I love you, say anything. Whatever you do, it helps me. It helps YouTube. Well, it tells YouTube that you're interested in my content, and it makes them show it more on their little thing. I don't know. I'm tired. I've had 6 beers and I've been on a tractor for 2 hours. All right. Hey, be good. Have a good one. See you.